Today, I'll show you how to create a film flicker transition in CapCut PC. This effect adds a classic old school film look to your edits, perfect for cinematic videos, music videos, or vintage style content. Let's jump in. First, import your two clips onto the timeline and place them side by side. Next, go to the transitions panel and search for film flicker. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect between your clips. Now, let's fine tune the timing. You can use the duration slider or manually adjust the transition on the timeline to control how long the flicker effect lasts. And that's it. Play your video to preview the transition. You now have a film flicker effect that adds a stylish retro touch to your edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips. See you in the next video.